let's go to the Titanic because today we're gonna save it. Woohoo! I wanna punch you so bad.
Save the Titanic.
Okay, guys, in the Titanic, we're gonna save it because we're the captain.
Yeah.
So let's do classic. It's classic Titanic. Come on!
Set. Go.
No! Ah! We're going down. I got flushed down the toilet. Okay. Iceberg dead. Oh gosh, I did it, but I skipped it.
I'd love to stay and watch you be weak and helpless, but got a sister to destroy.
Hey, what did I do?
Not you, Deep. Now, make sure none of you can follow me.
Max, if you go down this path, you are no longer our son.
Exactly. I'm a supervillain now.
Oh, sorry guys.
Let's play now.
Okay, it's my sister's turn.
I can tell from here. This is by a mile.
Hey, my sister did it.
That was fun. It's like easy.
Ooh, no.
Now my turn.
Hey, no. Yanni, I will post this on. I will post it.
Goo-goos.
Sorry guys. My sister's fighting me. Okay. What? Save the Titanic. I got it. I got it, Jack and Rose. Jack, Rose, you're gonna survive. Yay, Jack's alive.
No, can I go?
Yes. I made Jack and Rose alive.
Set.
Go. Okay, my sister's doing it. Go on, go on. Oh, you're gonna fail. You're gonna fail. You're gonna fail. You didn't even touch it though. Okay, Rose alive, Jack's dead. Wow, you killed Jack. This is how you save them. See? This is how you do it. How you do it.
The Titanic looks like Play-doh.
Yeah, it is. So I will see you guys next time. I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, bye.